And that's exactly how you can make an easy $134.57 per sale, and you can make multiple sales per day. Hey, what's up you guys, this is Art from Art of Marketing blog, and in this video I will show you a super easy copy and paste method you can use to make hundreds of dollars per day. Now, depending on the product you're promoting, you can make 10, 50, 100, even $1,000 with a simple copy and paste trick. Now, this method can be used from anywhere in the world, so no matter where you are, in the United States, in Canada, in Australia, in the Philippines, in India, wherever you are, this is easy to use and you will start seeing results with this very fast, and I will show you a way that is very beginner friendly. So before we're gonna start, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell, and leave me a comment if you have any questions or maybe you just want to say hi. And check out all the links in the description of this video. I have my $1 course, I have my free courses, free case studies, I have my social media, so check it all out. And right now, let me share my screen, let me show you this copy and paste method, which can easily make you over $100 per day or per sale. So the number one website you're going to go to is cbengine.com. If you don't know what CB Engine is, it is a website that finds top converting ClickBank offers. If you don't know what ClickBank is, it is a platform where you can find any offer to promote as an affiliate, and you will normally make 50% commission. So if you sell something for $100, if you make a sale, you're gonna get $50, and CB Engine will find the best offers. Now, obviously, you can go to clickbank.com and find offers yourself, but this is just the easy way of doing it. So right here on cbengine.com, let's just go to Top Gravity. Now, if you don't know what gravity is, essentially one gravity score is one affiliate that currently makes sales, which is a great stat to have, because obviously the more affiliates are making sales with a product currently, it means that it converts, that the sales page is great, the squeeze page is great, the whole funnel is great, which is a safe bet for picking a product and making sure that it actually converts. So I already picked the top gravity products right here, and you'll be presented with all the top products right here. Keep in mind that when picking a product, stick with one of these three categories. So either health, wealth, or relationships. Okay, so these are the three top biggest niches, and I actually did all the research right here. If you're gonna type in biggest niches into Google, as you can see, fitness and weight loss, that's the biggest niche online. Then health, then dating. We also have pets, self-improvement, wealth building, make money on the internet, and beauty treatment. So in a nutshell, these are the three biggest ones. If I would be picking a product, I would definitely make sure that it is in one of these three categories. So again, health, wealth, and relationships. So the first product right here is Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic, which obviously is in the health and weight loss niche. And check this out right here, initial sale will make you $134.57, and the gravity is almost 600, which means that almost 600 people are currently making sale. Almost 600 people made at least one sale, which means that this product converts like crazy. That's why I'm going to pick this one. As you can see, we have a keto diet, we have biofit, we have diabetes, we have research. I don't know what it is, but in a nutshell, this is the highest gravity product with almost 600. The second one has 350, then 311, 293. So you can pick whatever niche you are interested in, but again, I will stick with this first one because the gravity is just out of this world. So we have the name Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. So guys, obviously now we're gonna go to ClickBank and we will grab our affiliate link, which is the link that you're gonna be copy pasting, the link that you will promote. So if you don't have a ClickBank account, you can just type in how to open a ClickBank account into Google, and you have an article right here. This is the first position right here. How do I sign up for a ClickBank account? And they have a full blog post explaining it. So if you don't know how to do it, if you're not a techie person, just look it up on Google. And once you will create your account, all you have to do is go to Marketplace right here on top. So click on the Marketplace. Going back to CB Engine right here, we will just copy and paste this name right here. So copy, Ctrl+C, and we will paste it in right here where it says find products. So we will look for it. As you can see, we have it right here, Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. This is exactly the one that we are looking for, $134. all you have to do right here is just click on promote and you will get your affiliate link. Now you can add a tracking ID. This is an advanced thing, like if you're using multiple traffic sources, which we'll cover in just a minute. For now, you can just click on generate hop links, and this is the link that you're going to be copy pasting. Okay, so this is your affiliate link for this particular promotion. And check this out, this product pays 75% commissions, so you are actually making more in commissions than the product vendor. So obviously a very good deal. You don't have to create the product, you don't have to create the sales page, you don't have to deliver any products, you don't have to deal with support. All of that is taken care of by the vendor. All you have to do is just send people to this link. Now, as you can see, this link looks kind of spammy, looks not really clean. Okay, so what we will do is we will copy and paste this link and we will go to bit.ly or bit.ly.com and we will make it shorter, we will make it just look better. Okay, so all we have to do is just paste this link right here where it says shorten your link, click on shorten, and we will get this nice looking link. So this is the link that we're going to be promoting. Now the cool thing is that if you're going to sign up for Bitly, you can actually make this part unique. So you can type in weight loss or whatever you want, so you can make it look even better. But for the purpose of this video, I'm just using the free Bitly account. So this is the link that we will be promoting. So again, so comparing it to this long and weird looking link, you know, this link looks much better. So we will copy it right here. Make sure to save this link like in a text file or somewhere. And how are we going to promote it? I'm going to show you two ways you can actually send people to this link, send eyeballs to this link, because this is exactly what you want to do. And these people have to be actually interested in weight loss. Okay, so it's not like you can just start sharing it on the internet and hope that people will find it, hope that people will be interested in this particular product or in this particular niche. We will find people that are super interested in this particular topic. So what we're gonna do is we will use our friend Google and we will type in weight loss blog. Now our main thing right here is to find as many weight loss blogs as possible. Okay, so if you just want to test it out with maybe 5 or 10 blogs, fine. If you really want to take massive action and see great results, just go all out. You know, find maybe 100 blogs, maybe even more the better, and we will go through this. Right now I will show you how to do it once, but obviously the more you do it, the more eyeballs you're gonna get, the more traffic you will get to your link, and the more sales you'll ultimately make. So this first blog post is best weight loss blogs of 2020. So let me just click on it and let's see which are the top blogs. So first of all, we have the healthy foodie. So let me just open up this first one right here and let me accept this. As you can see, we have different blog posts right here. So let me just click on continue reading and let me go through this whole blog post. Now we are not interested in the blog post itself. Okay, so what we are interested in is the comments section. So as you can see, we can actually leave a comment, and in this comment we will add our link. Okay, so you don't want to be spamming people's blog posts. You actually want to create a mini post that will sort of say thank you for creating this blog post, it is amazing, and by the way, I really enjoyed this product. Okay, so this blog post says times for a change, and I think it just promotes veganism. Okay, so what I would do right here in the comment, I would just say amazing blog post, it's really inspiring. I will be back to read more of your blog post, and what really helped me out is this, and then you paste in your link. So I'm not going to be creating this whole blog post right here, but you can just add what really helped me out was, and then you just add the link. You can end it with keep up the good work, and all you have to do is add your name and your email. So once this is done, all you have to do is just click on post comment and your comment will be added to this blog post. And that's all you have to do. So obviously we did it once. All you have to do is just make a list of top blogs that actually allow commenting. So if I wanted to go all out, I would probably create a list of blogs that are about health and fitness, another list with blogs about weight loss, another one about wealth management or wealth creation, another one about making money online, etc. So guys, again, you want to do this as many times as possible. So don't do it once or twice and then hope you're gonna get a sale from just one blog post. Do this at least 10 times per day. If you really want to dedicate maybe an hour a day, just go all out. Create as many blog posts as you can. Now keep in mind, some of these authors will not accept your blog post if there's a link in it. So not 100% of your posts will be actually posted, will be published, but don't let that stop you. Just add as many blog posts as you can, and you will get the traffic, you will get the eyeballs, you will get the sales. Now another cool trick that you can actually use is go to Google Alerts. So google.com/alerts. We can create an alert about, let's say, weight loss, and right here what we will do is click on show options and we will go with sources blogs. So if you are serious about it, just go with as it happens or at most once a day, which means that you're going to get notifications as it happens or at least once a day. If you want to do this part-time, go with once a week, but again, you really want to do this once a day. See what kind of new blog posts are created about weight loss, and this way you will be one of the first persons that actually comments on a blog post, which means that you're gonna get a ton of eyeballs as this blog post actually goes live. Obviously, again, you can do this in any niche. You can do this for weight loss or making money online or pets or golfing or whatever, dog training, whatever the product you found on CB Engine is all about. So all you have to do right here is just click on create an alert and make sure to actually follow up on it. Make sure to go to these blogs, create your comments under these blog posts, do a little bit of work on them. Again, you can just copy and paste the same exact comment, try to make it a little bit unique, but again, the most important thing is that you include the link and that you're going to be getting eyeballs on your link. Guys, another strategy you can use for getting eyeballs or getting traffic, however you want to call it, is just go to Facebook, and on Facebook you will find literally thousands of groups about anything. So in this case, we would just type in weight loss and I would go for search for weight loss and I would go for groups. So these are the groups that you want to join. So keep in mind, you can't post in groups if you didn't join them. So just go and click on join group on as many of these groups as humanly possible. Keep in mind, some of these groups don't allow posting, so make sure to actually sort through it, make a list of which groups allow you to post and obviously allow you to post links. And each time you're going to be promoting something, just like with blog post comments, you're going to also go to Facebook groups and just post your links. So guys, take a look at this. All these groups, we have literally thousands of different groups, and we have thousands, if not tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of people in them. We have 67,000 members, 8,000 members, 18,000 members, 143,000 members. So just join as many of these groups as you can, start posting and combine these two traffic sources, Facebook groups and blog commenting. This is all free. You don't have to spend money on Google ads or Facebook ads or Pinterest ads or any other ads. All of this is free, but you do have to invest some time in it. So this is actually a perfect way to start making money online. And once you will start actually seeing some results, start making some money, then you can reinvest it in things like ads if you don't want to. So this is a perfect way to start. I always recommend starting with free traffic first before you actually invest money into paid traffic or some fancy software that you don't really understand. This is a perfect way to start, and then once you're already made $100, made $1,000, you can scale it up by using paid traffic. If you want to, you can just keep the profits and enjoy all the money that you made. So guys, I'm super excited for this because I know that this will work. First of all, the traffic is super targeted with the blog posts and with the Facebook groups. All you have to do is just keep on doing it, okay? Don't try this once or maybe 5 times or 10 times and say it doesn't work, because it does work. All you have to do is just keep on doing it, be persistent consistent with it, and you will see results. I guarantee you that. Okay, so guys, that's the video I have for you today. Before you go, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell, and leave me a comment if you have any questions, or if you want to say hi. Check out all the links in the description of this video. I really appreciate you checking out my free case studies or free courses, following me on social media. I hope you're gonna make a ton of money this way. Good luck and see you in the next video. Ciao.